Do you know what a collateral mortgage is? You may have one without even knowing it. There have even been reports of some Canadian lenders registering collateral mortgages without ever disclosing it to their clients. A collateral mortgage could be something that is right for a few select people, but it can also be very wrong for others. The point here is that you should be able to make an informed decision by being given the information up front. Here's an example of how some collateral mortgages work. Let's say you want to borrow $200,000 and your house is worth $400,000. In most cases, with a conventional mortgage, the bank will register a $200,000 charge against the title. This makes perfect sense. In the case of a collateral mortgage, even though the mortgage is for $200,000, the bank may register a $500,000 charge against the property. That is 125% of the property's value. Why would the bank want to do this? To keep clients locked in. A collateral mortgage is not a mortgage that can be switched to another lender. Sure, you can do an entirely new mortgage, but that will cost you money. So what a shock it will be when your mortgage comes up for renewal and you find a much better rate down the street, but you are unable to get it without doing a whole new mortgage. It will also keep your equity locked up even if you're not using it. Let's say you lost your job and wanted to borrow another $40,000 while you get your feet back on the ground. Since you now have no job, you would not qualify for any additional money from your bank. Even though they have registered $500,000, you still need to qualify to borrow more money. In the past, with a conventional mortgage, you could easily go get a second mortgage based solely on the remaining equity in the home. Not if there is already a collateral mortgage registered on your home, which has tied up 125% of the property's value. If you are happy with your bank and plan on using your equity in the future, and you are not concerned with being able to shop for the best rate, then a collateral mortgage could be for you. You need to have the facts before you get into something you don't understand. Do you have an existing mortgage? If you do, fill out the form below and I will notify you prior to your mortgage renewal date and shop around for a better rate than your current bank is offering. If I find you a better rate and we do a mortgage, I will give you an iPad mini. Get a better rate, an iPad mini, and a professional that will explain to you exactly what each bank offers so you won't get stuck with a mortgage you don't want. Just fill out the form below to qualify for your free iPad mini.